Yeah, P1. Because high pressure related to the LOPC, no? So that is why.
Yeah, yeah.
So we have seen this one.
But Chairman,
Yeah.
this first stage separator, right? What will be the cause of overpressurization here is from the slug catcher, right? And the slug catcher and first stage separator has the same design pressure. So there's no chance of overpressurization here. So I think we can keep this P2 and go to the slug catcher, and that one will be P1.
Okay. So you want to keep the same thing here?
Design pressure of slug catcher and the first stage separator is both the same.
It
So
will not
there is
overpressure.
really no overpressurization per se for first stage separator. In fact, our relief valve there, PSV, is size only for fire case, not for any other thing.
Taking into consideration, we also combine the vapor and liquid toward the
Yes.
stage.
So I think P2 P2 here for first stage can be okay, but in the slug catcher, P1.
Okay, but then you have to change the low. I mean, see why I'm not putting the low here?
Yeah,
Because
you
the
can still
severity.
put low here because of the fact that what we're saying is anyway, this is because of that, yeah.
Okay, low and immediate. What is low and immediate?
Low and immediate is P2.
P2. P2, correct. So we are okay here, right?
For the PAH of, can you go slug catcher?
Yeah. No. I mean, before I go there, so that means this is okay, right? This is okay
Yeah,
categorization.
this is okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, and now we are going to go slug catcher, right?
Slug catcher.
The slug catcher, DPAH,
Yeah.
PSAH.
Yes, this, I don't know, PS is already trip. PAH. PAH. Look for
PAH.
PAH. Yeah, next one, below.
This one.
There you go. And this anyway, I'm sure it's P1 because already yesterday we are considered this as P1, right?
P1, yeah.
Yeah.
Is correct.
Okay.
So how many P1? How many P1? Okay, so I will.
But
No.
the PAL here in the slug catcher, maybe we can consider P2 only, right? Low pressure.
And low pressure will not create. No, low pressure we said LOPC will happen, no? In the slug catcher, LOPC will happen because the low pressure, the liquid will not transfer there.
Okay.
And if the liquid will not transfer, this will create a blocked outlet case. And this will
Okay.
overpressurize.
Okay. Finally, it will go.
Yeah.